Welcome back to True Nation X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
I'm here with my yes. Sorry for filming so late.
Yeah, we could have filmed this way earlier, but Kim wasn't quite ready for filming. So
I got it a couple days ago, right? Did I?
Yeah, we should have filmed this when we got it because now other people might have filmed it before us. But we're hoping you'll watch ours as well as whoever else is.
Open it up. Okay. And this is the one where it doesn't have like a separate bag or box. It just has like the product straight inside. So I'm just gonna.
We never know what she's gonna get.
Pull them out. Okay. So first thing.
I have one just like that.
Hashtag INM love. Is that what it's supposed to be? Like or why is there like it should just be like
in love?
I don't know. Small angled brush. It's like INMO Cosmetics. I'm sorry if I'm butchering that. I don't know. Sorry. There's that. Okay. Then I am pulling out Emerald by Beauty Creations palette. Let me see what colors. If there were some fancy greens in there, I might want to keep it. I'm just saying. I'm just saying.
Just kidding.
Oh, that's like.
Well,
Well,
pretty.
it does have green. Do you want to show it? I'll hold the thing and you can show it.
Yeah, I can.
So I might give it away. I might keep it. Don't know yet. Sorry,
I'd rather
I'm
keep
trying
plastic over it, but I'm gonna try to like see if I can do this without showing anything else. But hopefully you can see that.
And here, do you want to put it back in that?
Yeah, it's pretty.
I took the brush so that it wouldn't fall off your lap. Okay, so here's the card, which I usually, don't pull off. But first, necessarily, it says hugs and kisses forever. A lot of kisses with love, hugs and kisses. Hello there for you. Thanks, love you. Yes, oh yes.
Those are stickers?
And then,
Or no?
oh no, I don't think so.
Oh, I'd want stickers. I mean, not that I like stickers at all, but I would want them to be
And
stickers.
then on the back, it tells you, of course, what you're getting, and that the suggested retail price, I suppose, is $93. That's what it says.
We're always like, is that true or
Okay,
not?
so 2 items so far. Some more items to go.
You could probably.
530 Deepest Black Velvet Smooth Eyeliner Kokie Professional. Waterproof. I might just have to use this tomorrow. Anyway, I do like these eyeliners. That's all I can say.
Kim's going to the spa tomorrow. Lucky her and her husband, and so she's trying to look for something that won't come off.
Yeah.
She wants to know how it works.
Here's another brush. I wonder how many there are. Okay, so the first one was the small angled brush, and this is a concealer brush, same brand. I wonder if there's like more than, maybe I should
I
have
just use
looked
the
in the
powder
bag.
brush. That's like pretty much the only brush I use is the powder brush, and that's it.
Yeah,
for the most part.
And then this one is
Eyeshadow
the
brush,
crease brush. So, yeah, I should have pulled these out all at the same time, but I wasn't really looking. I was just reaching my hand in. Okay, next thing is Bang Beauty. What does it say? Dangerous?
I thought it said on the
Do you
side
ever
what
know?
it was. What did it say? Nothing? Oh, connect with us.
Okay, so I'm going to have to open it, and these, I think they're still good enough for a giveaway if I have to damage the box, but the product inside is still fine. I personally think that should be good enough. Why is this like smeared? Do you see that?
Yeah.
Okay, so apparently it's lipstick, right? Lip crayon. Why doesn't it tell you that?
On the outside.
I don't want to have to even open it. I'm like, yeah, so that's what the box look like. And if you look at the sides, it doesn't say what it is, but it does say dangerous at the end of it. But if you can see on here, I don't have to be really focused.
It's a little like
some of the red
smudge.
is somehow on the outside of the pencil. I'm like, how is that
How's that possible?
even possible?
I know, I wouldn't give that away just for that
I know,
reason.
no,
but
I know.
But otherwise,
And I'm like, I'm maybe going to contact them and say, how did you get...
I know, the lid
I don't
pop off and they
I don't
touched it,
understand.
putting it back on, and then... Good
Weird.
question.
Okay, and I think this is the last thing, And this is another eyeliner, maybe? Holy Addiction Pro Define Eyeliner made with California Cedar Wood. So this is obviously like in a brown. Let me see if it's waterproof as well. Let me see.
Sorry for my phone, guys.
I don't know about this being waterproof, but it looks like it's a brown. I'm willing to try it. I think it's, yeah. Eyeliner.
Pretty. I like brown ones.
So that is it for this bag, pouch.
And this one's normally, is it 17?
17 or 18, I think, yeah.
Kim's an ambassador, so she'll leave a link down below. One of us will, if you want to get, I think it's like 10% off your first
Order of it.
bag or whatnot. But this one's an okay bag. I would just say like it's kind of unusual what you get sometimes. But if you saw anything you like, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to be part of our future giveaway. We're doing another one at 200 subscribers, and we'll catch you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.